So this one is a Quadstellar 4-tower EATX chassis, and everybody knows that we have the Tristellar 3 carbons. So this one is 4 carbons. Let's go through this chassis. We have 4 carbons. So this carbon is for storage. It's supposed to 11 pieces of 2.5 SSD or 8 pieces 3.5 SSD. So you can take a look at the storage, and it's easy takeoff. Yes, and for the right position carbon is you can use the PCI extension cable to place 3 pieces of your video cards here vertically. Yeah, and there has 2 temperature class panel. You can look into your components inside, and this carbon is for the power supply. Is supposed to the largest power supply, the longest power supply to support all the high-end components. And you place your motherboard to EATX this way. It's supposed to the largest EATX motherboard. It's the widest EATX motherboard for this chassis, and you can place 360 radiator in the front and 240 radiator in the bottom. And let's take a look at from the back. You can see this is the position of your motherboard, and if you don't want to put the video card vertically, you can place 4 pieces of your video card like from normal position.